Welcome to the best picks. The best E Revo 2.0 is probably one of the most exciting RC trucks on the market, but let's be honest, we can always make things better. Today, we're diving deep into the world of upgrades, exploring the best parts to transform your E Revo 2.0 into an absolute beast. From improved handling to increased durability, we'll cover everything you need to know to take your RC experience to the next level. Number 5. Nylon Mesh Chassis Cover for Traxxas E Revo 2.0. This nylon mesh chassis cover is designed to protect your Traxxas E Revo from dirt and dust. It's a simple yet effective way to keep your chassis clean and extend its lifespan. Made from durable nylon mesh, this cover is built to withstand the rigors of off-road driving. The material is tough and provides excellent protection against debris. Specifically designed for the Traxxas 110 E Revo 2.0 model 86086-4, it also fits the older E Revo editions. It ensures a snug and secure fit. Before installing, clean your chassis. Then, warm up the double-sided tape with a hairdryer for a stronger bond. This will help it adhere better. The package includes only the nylon mesh dirt cover. Please note that the truck shown in the picture is not included. It's a great accessory to protect your investment. What we like. This nylon mesh chassis cover is a game changer. It's designed to keep dirt and debris out, protecting your E Revo 2.0 sensitive components. If you're tired of constantly cleaning your chassis and want to extend the life of your truck, you should consider this cover. It's a simple upgrade that makes a big difference. What people say. Great addition to keep the dust out. It fits perfectly, and this is the first one that actually looks like it has the ability to be breathable. Good product. It protects my E Revo 2.0 from dust, mud and other particles. Fits my E Revo like a glove, beautiful, protects my inner running parts on my truck. Keeps the sand, grass and other debris out. Number 4. Traxxas E Revo 2.0 Aluminum Steering Assembly. This is an aluminum steering assembly upgrade for your Traxxas E Revo 2.0. It's a more durable and cooler replacement part. The aluminum construction makes this part more robust. It's designed to withstand the rigors of off-road driving. This upgrade not only enhances performance but also adds a cool look to your vehicle. The blue color gives it a stylish appearance. Please verify the part number, 5344 or 5344X, to ensure it fits your specific model. This part is designed for several Traxxas models. The product includes the exact items shown in the main picture. You'll receive everything you need for the upgrade. What we like. Upgrade your steering assembly with this aluminum option. The aluminum build offers superior durability compared to the stock plastic parts. If you're looking for a more robust steering system that can withstand the rigors of off-road bashing, you should definitely consider this upgrade. It's a simple swap for improved performance and a cooler look. What people say. Nice color. Works great. Stands up to punishment on the basher. Easy to install. It has less play than stock part, good upgrade. Very nice upgrade. Number 3. Aluminum Servo Horn Steering Arms 25T Blue. These are upgrade parts designed to enhance your vehicle's performance. They are built to improve the overall functionality of your model. These parts are compatible with Traxxas Revo, E Revo 2.0, Summit, Slayer Pro 4x4, XO1, and T-Max models. Please check the original number 5345 to ensure a perfect fit for your car. Made from aluminum, this product is more durable than the original parts. The aluminum construction also gives it a sleek and cool appearance. This upgrade will improve the steering response. It is designed to withstand the rigors of RC car use. The installation process is straightforward. It is designed to be a direct replacement for the original parts, making the upgrade process simple. What we like. These aluminum servo horns are a must-have upgrade. They provide increased strength and precision for your steering. If you like aggressive driving and demand precise control, you should consider these. They'll give you the confidence to push your E Revo 2.0 to its limits. What people say. These will work perfect and won't break, use blue thread lock and the screws won't back out. This thing worked great, was able to fine-tune my servo settings because of the 3 holes in them. They look great, and they can take abuse. Number 2. Traxxas E Revo Push Rods, Blue Aluminum. Looking to enhance your Traxxas E Revo's performance? These heavy-duty push rods are the perfect upgrade. They are designed for durability and improved handling. Made from blue anodized aluminum, this part is built to last. It can withstand the rigors of off-road driving. This upgrade will make a difference. These push rods are a direct replacement for the stock parts. They are engineered to provide increased strength and resilience. Install it and feel the difference. Installing these push rods is straightforward. It's a simple upgrade that can significantly improve your car's performance. You'll be back on the track in no time. Trust in the quality of Traxxas parts for your E Revo. This push rod is designed to meet the highest standards. It's a reliable choice for any RC enthusiast. What we like. These aluminum push rods are built to handle the toughest conditions. They're heavy-duty and feature a stylish blue anodized finish. If you're looking for a reliable and durable upgrade, this is a great choice. They will improve the performance and look of your E Revo 2.0. What people say. Great upgrade for E Revo 2.0. I installed a set of these on the front and rear of my E Revo 2.0. Very easy to install and have been holding up well. I've been running these now E Revo 2.0 for 2 months and I haven't had any issues. They have held up great. Number 1. Traxxas E Revo High Lift Shock Springs, 21 pounds. These high lift shock springs are designed for your Traxxas E Revo. They are a great upgrade to enhance your vehicle's performance. These springs are longer than the stock springs. Adding these springs will add 5 to 10% more ground clearance to the vehicle. These springs are designed to handle heavy-duty upgrades and high-capacity batteries. They are harder than original springs. These springs are compatible with Traxxas 110 E Revo, E Revo 2.0 VXL, and Summit models. Please check the part number 5460 to ensure a proper fit. If you prefer softer springs, consider the 19 pounds option. You can find more details about it online. What we like. These high-lift shock springs are designed to give your E Revo 2.0 a boost. They provide increased ground clearance, which is perfect for tackling rough terrain. If you're looking to enhance your off-road capabilities and improve your vehicle's handling, you should consider these springs. They'll help you conquer any obstacle. What people say. These have my E Revo nice and stiff and the ride height don't squat anymore. Great adds height to my RC car. The very high spring rate that you can't get anywhere else. The finish, regardless of how ridiculous it is quite nice in its application. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.